There are several ways to create SKUs, but batch upload is the most efficient option when creating a large number of SKUs at once. To begin, click Create SKU and select Batch Upload. Download the template file before getting started. Take a few minutes to review the Guidance and Field Definitions tabs, as they explain each field and help you complete the template correctly. Fill in all required fields marked in orange, as they are mandatory fields. As with manual SKU creation, country of origin and HS code are required for international shipping. Please also make sure the SKU description is accurate and specific, instead of using generic descriptions, such as common goods. If you plan to fulfill your eBay orders automatically, it is highly recommended to complete the customs label fields as well. These fields will be used to map to your eBay listings, so you won't need to maintain them manually later. Once the template is complete, save the file, upload it to the system, and finish the SKU creation process. After submission, you can check the verification status from the SKU information page. SKU verification usually takes up to 24 hours to complete.